I can respect your wishes. I can swear you're not marked. You can come in whenever you're ready. You are an excellent agent. But not only that, you're a good person.
Shit. I'ma come back. I'm Bobby so with up on radio silence. So I'm not gonna get tired.
Mr. Mullins is no longer running the agency. I am. So I'm telling you, whenever you're ready to come in, just come.
Carton is back.
When they?
In just a coming in. Open the door and go to the lift.
You alright?
I just feel a little bit nauseous.
Well, the food in the microwave. I'm gonna get soup, so that will help.
Can you warm it up for me, please?
Alright. So, babe. You alright?
I just feel a little bit nauseous.
Alright, come. So, baby, when you feel so nauseous from morning, you sure say I'm not pregnant? You're pregnant? I mean, I can go on the road and get a pregnancy test, you know?
No, Carlton.
You alright?
I want to go in.
Babe, we done talk about this already. It's not safe.
It's not safe for who?
It's not safe for you or me.
Carlton, listen. This is not your decision. I definitely want to go in.
But I'm afraid I can't make you do that.
What?
If you go in and your agency decide to take you back with open arms, will that leave me? Make her out in the open.
So, I'm your prisoner.
No, never that. But never protect myself. I'm a marked person, just as much as you. And me there fear when everything go down. You forget that?
No, I haven't. Okay, Carlton. So what is this? You come for
Come for the rescue.
you come for rescue the agent?
Action.
What's not?
Action.
But that's not what I wanted, Carlton.
But that's what it is.
I want to change it.
Oh, you mean? Yeah, man, I want to feel like. Man can do no, and multi-talented enough to I want to know that. I want vicious. Yo, me take my talk. Action. Give me it again. Give me it.